Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another episode of John's Cryptotherapy. Today, we're going to be looking more into price action, exactly where the markets are trying to go up or down. Are we trying to sell or are we trying to buy? And we're going to identify some key levels that we're going to really understand, okay, guys? Other than that, I do want to say thank you guys for joining me and always supporting my channel, even if it's a like, even if it's a comment or anything of that nature. I do appreciate every single one of you guys. Other than that, we are going to get started. And just so you guys know, everything I do tell you guys, these are not financial advice. These are the exact advice that I tell myself and my other students that, they follow me and they take these type of trades. But guys, remember to do your own research. Remember, it's your money at the end of the day. Make sure you do smart investments. All I could do is try to show you little gems every single day to better knowledge yourself and educate yourself in these type of markets. Okay, guys? Before anything, guys, today's episode is going to be very juicy, guys, because we're going to look at price predictions. You already know where my price prediction is when we're looking at a negative sell position all the way to the bottom. What about a positive bullish scenario? So we are going to be talking about that. I'm going to give you a realistic number on where I think a short-term price prediction can be met, guys. This is a very juicy one because this is not about random hype or anything like this. Has to do all with fundamentals, and exactly we're looking at the fib retracements to give us that exact key point where we think the future price can go to. Remember, guys, this is short term. I do believe in a long-term picture. We are absolutely going to see a big number, even $1 or close to $1. But guys, if this does work out, remember, you guys invested into it. A lot of people did not believe in Bitcoin in the beginning, but now you know what, everybody's becoming a fan. So if you want to be with the biggest and the strongest NFT platform, I do believe Ecomi is one of those contenders, if not the best, guys. If you do believe that, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. There is a lot of great stuff going in the NFT community, especially with Gary Vee talking about it, Mark Cuban talking about NBA and his Top Shot and all of that for his NBA characters, right? So this is such a big thing and a big deal, and hopefully you guys are seeing the bigger picture. This is life changing, guys. If you play these certain key points from now till the end of this year or furthermore, you will absolutely make growth and potential to reach whatever you guys want to do. I just want to motivate you guys to tell you guys you're here for a reason. This is not a gamble. This is not anything like that. This is a strategical move that you guys have played. So be proud of yourselves and let's get into the market, okay, guys? So clearly today morning it was a red candle. The pivot spot changed, guys, because another candle came into the position. So I wanted to show you a scenario that I was looking forward into this if this did play out the way it did, okay? So it could play out, and this is very strategically smart. So I'm going to show you guys. Right here, this is called Japanese candlesticks, and we're going to look at a pattern that is shocking, and it's very interesting because I've traded this many times, guys, and this move actually works. I'm going to give you guys the gem right now before I give you the big diamond in the end, okay, guys? So right here, we're looking at a pattern of a bullish move. So this is a bullish move going up, guys. And then we have a retest at R2. R2 was a pivotal moment at 0.0042. We had a retest, and then we brought the candle back up all the way down to the P, the pivot line, the potential of a support and resistance zone. And we can clearly see it's still above it. So we are looking to still furthermore increase the value and try to do a buy because we're following the pivot line. But that doesn't mean you have to buy all the time, guys. There has to be criterias and everything like that that has to be met. So the candlestick pattern I'm looking at, guys, is very simple. I'm going to draw it out for you guys. I'm going to do the best drawing I can, so work with me here, okay? So we got a bullish candle here. So this is the bullish candle we're looking at, okay? And then pretend we got another candle here. So I'm going to explain everything to you guys. This is all going to make sense. And you know what, this is happening right in front of you guys. So if you do watch this video and you do like these type of contents, I'm more than welcome to pull out more and more so you guys are more educated in this space, okay? So once again, we have this bullish move that is happening right here, okay? Then we have another candle that is a bearish candle right after this bullish move. Clearly it did not break the top, it did not break the bottom. It's just in between the big move of the bullish candle. So this is what I call a rising three method, okay, guys? This is called a rising three method. I've been trading this very often and it's still profitable, okay, guys? We can have three candles right after this bullish candle, guys. If the 3 candles or the 4, it could be 3 or 4, but realistically I try to do 3 to show me the pattern or the strength of the trend is going to be a continuation. So this is a continuation trend for all those people that love to be in Ecomi and Omi and Vivi and try to ride the wave. This is a continuation pattern that you might like to hear, okay guys? So this right here, if it closes right here, guys, okay, and it does not break the low of the bearish candle, guys, if it does not break the low of the bearish candle and all the 3 candles are in between the big move of the bullish candle, it's most likely going to end off like this, guys. This is just Japanese candlesticks. Most of the time, majority of the time, this is what happens. So I'm going to draw it out. It's a continuation of a trend, guys. We're going to see a next bullish candle closing above and try to take off the highs. So this is how we identify that this is going to be a continuation. So once we draw this trend line like that, it's going to be like that. And the bottom, of course, we do not want the bottom of this bearish candle to break the bottom of this engulfing candle. So this is called a rising 3 method, okay? So the 3 candles are in between here. So this is a stall of a period before it reverses and continues with the trade and it pushes to the upside. So in order for this trade to be consistent, we want to see another bullish candle break to the highs of these levels at 0.0043 and continue to the upside. This is the continuation of a rising 3 method, okay guys? Look it up for yourself. This is a rising 3 method happening in front of your face. You guys could take it, you guys could leave it, but make sure you understand if this candle, the 3rd candle, does break to the lows, then we could see it slowly going to the bottom side. But if it does not break through the lows, we could see a continuation to the upside. Now, for a bearish scenario, guys, I'm going to show you guys how this one's going to work. This is called the 3 black crows, okay? So this method is very simple. The reason why it's called 3 black crows, guys, in the olden days, these Japanese candlesticks were white and black. So the bears were black while the white was the bulls going up. So everything you see here, green, is going to be white. Everything that you see red is typically black. That's how they used to trade it. And these are the terminologies that they used to have. It's really crazy, but you know what, guys? It does make sense on the reasons why they call it the way they do, okay, guys? It's very simple to understand. So for this one, I'm gonna just delete the bottoms because I'm gonna draw you the bigger picture on this trend, okay, guys? So this one is actually a reversal, guys. This is a reversal trend, guys. If we have a bullish move going up and we see a 3 black crows on the top of a bullish move, it is a reversal trade to the downside. So it's very hard for a lot of people to understand through the beginning, and I totally understand that. So we're gonna draw this out. So we're gonna have a candle like that. We're gonna have a candle like that. Okay, let me finish this, and boom, the last one. All right, so typically when this candle forms, let me take this last one out for you guys too, because I want you guys to really understand this, what I'm trying to explain. Perfect. So there we go. Okay, guys. So once again, so this is called the 3 black crow, okay guys? So basically the 3 black crow is very simple. Once we have a bullish move dictating, the pressure was going upwards, guys. So this was an upward moving market pushing all the way up, okay? That's the same movement here. We had a red one first. That was a good indication. But guys, I do want to tell you guys, for this to be really true, it would not really have big wicks like this. You see how the market right here has a big wick? It would not have a big wick like this, guys. It will be close to the body like this. So the wick will be very minimum or basically none, okay? So the reason why this is a reversal trade, especially when we're going to uptrend, guys, it's 3 days in a row because this is the candlesticks and these are 1 day each, okay, guys? So it's a 3-day reversal trade, guys. So the first day it sold and it made a low. The next day it started from the mid or the middle or near the bottom end of it and still closes below the previous close. Guys, you can see the third one is the same thing as the second one. It just closed lower than the previous one. So it's very understanding to understand that this is the pattern that they're looking for. And these are all going to be red, guys. So this candle all have to be red. The reasons why they believe in this is very systematic, guys. This is very easy for us to understand, guys. 3 days in a row being red candles gives us a belief that, you know what, the buyers are gone and the selling pressure is going to continue. And normally after a 3-day move like this and it's red candles, guys, we do look for a short right off of the break of the third one, okay? So when the fourth one appears, guys, we look for a sell position and we try to ride the wave. What I like to do, look for a pullback into another support resistance resistance zone or hedges the trade, but a sell is absolutely available for you guys to take. Clearly, if this was a red candle, if you guys checked in the morning, this pattern was not going to be realistic. Reasons why: the wick here was big, but if the wick was not there and we have 3 red candles, guys, it would have been pushing the price all the way down. So that would have been a continuation of a reversal trade going to the downside. All right, the 3 method one, having 3 candles in between and does not break the body of this candle, the bullish candle, we should see maybe another bullish candle to the upside. So that is a continuation. And if we do see that, guys, absolutely, I'm going to be taking a trade, and I'm looking for take profit 1 at resistance 1 at 0.0051. That is super realistic, and that's just evidence to me that this is such a great trade. So I am going to look for a bullish candle, see the break of this level at 0.0043, look for take profit at R1. So that's just a simple trade, and it's for you guys to take if that's what you want to do. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is something I'll do. Remember, this is called a black crow, 3 black crows, guys, and the other one's called the method 3 method. Okay, so remember, the 3 method is the 3 candles inside the 1 trying to push up because it couldn't break the lower pivot point of this huge candle. Okay, but the black crow is 3 candles systematically right after each other, making lower lows and pushing and breaking below the bullish candle right in front of us. Okay, so hopefully that was a little gem. Hopefully you guys understand, and this is what is very important. Once we get to a key level, guys, of support and resistance, learn your fundamentals of patterns of candlesticks. Once you do learn those, this is such a great way to trade reversals, continuations, and your life will just get easier. Okay, that's my number 1 thing I just wanted to share with you guys. That's just a little gem. That's not the main thing, so I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna show you guys more and more. So if you guys are still here, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, because I want to put more gems, more dimes into you guys, because this is the money that you guys are investing into something that you put your hard-earned money into. So remember, guys, each time you're learning and putting more time into the craft that you're trying to learn, you're only going to get better. So that is a blessing. Okay, so once again, we are going to be moving to David Hughes. So right now, guys, I am on David Hughes. I'm going to show you a little gem that he's dropping this Thursday, if I'm not mistaken. I'm going to be in this drop because this one is such a drop, guys. This one's a big drop. So all my NFT people, all the people that just love collecting, this one's for you. Okay, so I recommend, if you guys do love the NFT project, if you believe the NFT project is going to go up, especially if you have a lot of collectibles, this one is a must. Reasons why: this one's coming with sound, guys, and this is the first one. So having the first of anything, especially on an app or a project that you really believe in, is going to be massive. So this one, if you do not get, I wouldn't say, you know, you're trying hard enough, guys. This one's such a big drop. I'm going to be looking forward to getting this. Reasons why: this is such a collector's piece. I don't know if I'm going to be selling it in the future, guys, but all I could say, it's only going to increase in time. So this one is the last collector for all the Ghostbusters. So make sure you guys get into that, because this one's a big one for sure. I'm going to see if I could get this for you guys. Okay, other than that, we are going to be moving charts. So basically we talked about the black crow, 3 black crows. We also talked about the 3 method move. So we are in this position. Remember the pivot line, guys, we are above, so there is a bias to the top side. We have R1 where it could show us resistance and support lines, where we could take a reversal trade to the upside and dictate where the price is going to go from there. Okay, so now I am going to be moving to another chart because I want to explain something to you guys. This one's really good. Okay, so let me delete this one right here. Perfect. Okay, so we are looking for this leg. So this is where I'm going to be talking about the future price short term. Okay, guys, this is a short-term price prediction that it could absolutely happen. This is explosive. So let's put this into perspective. Okay, guys, so let me talk to you guys about the Fibonacci. Fibonacci is very simple to understand. So the best analysis I can give you guys is like this: you're in the markets, pretend that's the butter. You have a knife, you cut it. Okay, guess what? You cut it at the end of the day. But when you have a knife that's in hot water and you cut it with butter, it's absolutely easier. So Fibonacci, just an extra tool that you guys can use to make better confirmations on levels, support, and trade off of them, guys. In life, everything in life similarly uses Fibonacci's, plants to sunflower seeds to everything. There's a lot of Fibonacci retracements and basically numbers, the equations itself is all over us, okay? So why not take the time and learn how to use this, especially in the markets, and try to make something out of it. Remember guys, whales use this type of stuff to make right ideas and trades and entries and exits that just make sense, okay? This is how you predict the future before the future is even printed. So let's get into it. This is where I think that the price prediction of Ecomi and OMI, the token itself, can be at a short period of time. So let's take a look at this, okay? So right now, I'm gonna take the retracement. I wanna go to the 0 point. So we are gonna go to the 0 point, guys, right here. Let's go as close as we can. Let's see if I can get it. And you know what, let's just stop there. It's somewhat close to 0. Just work with me here, okay guys? So for this to really play off, it's very simple, guys. We're missing one more thing. A lot of traders do not talk about this. When you put the fib retracement, yes, we got a 23, we got a 38, we got a 50, we got a 61 and 78. A lot of people do not talk about a different zone that this price actually hit. So let's look at this very carefully. This zone right here, guys, actually hit a good level for us to actually trade off of, and a lot of people do not talk about it. So today's video, I am going to drop another gem. This is my second gem, or it could be my third gem. It's the way you guys perceive information and which one is a gem or not. So this one is very informational, okay? So there is another zone right here that's going to dictate to us where the market's absolutely going to go. So we're going to go right here, guys, and I'm going to read this for you, okay? The Fibonacci sequence levels of 78.6 and 88.6 indicate deeper retracements. All right. So basically it's like this, guys. You're going to a wholesale place. All right. The first time you went to the wholesale place, you're paying full price for an item. All right, guys. But the next week you go, guess what? It is 78 to 88.6% decreased. Would you or would you not buy that? Absolutely you would, because that is such a deal. And this is what is showing us. The market right now, it's 88.6% retraced. So from the highest move of 1 penny, guys, till now, it is showing us that it's an 88.6% retracement, okay? So that's very special for us to understand. Reasons why we went to the 0 where the market actually previously started, that'll be the A zone. The B zone would actually be the highest peak. That's a penny. Then bringing all the way back down, guys, we're looking for the retracement. That's going to be the 88.6%, guys. Let's look deeper into the charts and try to plot this out for you guys, okay? Remember, guys, if you guys are still watching till now, I really do appreciate you guys. But remember, the things I'm telling you guys are going to succeed and just grow as better traders and better investors, all right? So this is really educational. Hopefully you guys are liking these type of contents, okay? So let's move back into this, okay? All right, guys, we're back into the charts and we got to plot that 88% retracement. So let's do this, okay? Let's click the indicator and let's go to tools, okay? And I'm gonna write it in ourselves, okay? So guys, we plot it in. We're gonna see exactly where 0.886 actually plots into the chart. Let's see if it makes sense on where our retracement should be or where it is at right now for us to take a good leverage buy, okay? So once we put this in, let's see exactly where we are. And guess what, guys? Exactly, guess what? This is crucial to trading, guys. This is super crucial. Let me zoom in it for you guys. Remember, this has to be a little bit lower. Reasons why I did not get the 0 on the dot, guys. So just bring this a little bit lower so you can clearly tell that this body would be above it. So just work with me here, guys. You guys can clearly see that the 88.6 retracement hit the peak on the peak, guys. This is crucial. This is why we had such a good base of support at 0.0014 and then increased in price and volume. So now we understand that this could be a crucial moment. So if you guys know that this is true to its value, let's dive in and see where the price can go for Ecomi, OMI, and Vivi short term, guys. This could be short term, and I truly do believe this could be hit. But let's just see. It also has to do with news and everything like that, of course. But this is a fundamental aspect that you guys need to realize, that if you do buy OMI right now, you could see possibly this by the end of the year, or maybe by the next year, okay guys? So this is very closer than you think, and this is where I will tell you guys to take some profit. Reasons why a lot of people are going to be selling around these numbers, and then guess what? They're going to buy the dip and they're going to continue with the wave. Please be smart. This could be such a big take profit spot for you guys to take your profits or continue the wave, or realize that the trend is reversing and then buy the dip. It's very simple, okay guys? Let's put the extension in right now. All right guys, so before I put the extension, I just want to say I got this number really close to the beginning of the zero, just so we could get a better prediction of exactly where the move's going. So right now we did get that retracement at a key level of 88%, so that's very good. So we now have to put the extension. I'm going to show you an easy way to do this, okay? If you don't have an extension tool, guys, you just take the regular fib, you just put it on, okay? Just make sure it lines up really well. All right, so we got it to the similar spot, and this is where the extension is trying to show us where the market could potentially go. It's very easy to understand, guys. This is all Fibonacci levels, and it's just gonna make sense to you guys. Are you guys ready to see a short-term price prediction that is very accurate to where the market can go? If you guys are truly ready and you guys are excited, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, because this one is super big. All right, so we're looking at price at this very moment that is realistic, guys, not just off of hype. This is strictly fundamentals. All right guys, so this is going to shock you. All right guys, to a lot of people this is still profitable. So right now we can see price absolutely from an A to B zone, guys, from A to B, retracement of a C, pullback at 88%, retrace to extension of 1.618. all right guys, we're looking at one Omi coin being roughly around 2 cents. All right guys, 2 cents is such a big deal. It is a landmark, knowing that we just passed the highs of 1 cent. Okay guys, 2 cents will double or triple your money on where you have bought your Omi tokens from the beginning. Okay guys, remember guys, there's gonna be a lot of people selling off of here, so this is really realistic for a lot of people to do a little quick dump to understand that the market is going to correct itself. So remember guys, we did have the move from the zero, that's the A, then we go to the B, going to the C, we got a retracement of 88. You have to plot that in yourself, guys. It does not give it to you on the retracement. It goes to 78. But remember, guys, when we even look here really carefully, look at this. Deeper retracements and are usually great entry points, guys. So because of that entry points, guys, we could totally understand that there's such a great potential to see Omi. Absolutely guys, Omi around this year or coming up months, guys, we could truly see Omi reach 2 cents. So if you guys do like that news, please make sure to like this, because I do want a lot of people to share and try to understand where the markets are trying to go. Okay guys, but now we are gonna get to the juiciest section of everything, guys. Why I have been so bearish when I'm giving you guys a bullish prediction, okay? Reasons why I'm bearish is because it's very simple. I like to look at the markets in all angles, good or bad. At the end of the day, I'm trying to be realistic on where the price is trying to go. So guys, I'm gonna go to the third chart, guys, to show you how much efforts I put in, just so you guys can be educated in this type of markets, okay? The next chart is gonna have an Ikomoku or Ichimoku cloud, guys. This is a Japanese indicator. It was made by a journalist in the 1900s, and this dictates where a strong trend is, a reversal, and everything like that. It might be really confusing to a lot of people, so please work with me, and I'm gonna share this information with you, okay guys? So right here, we are on this chart. So a lot of people will get confused. So just work with me. I'm just gonna do a quick update on what this is, just so you guys understand, and then, you know, we'll slowly go with it. And I want you guys to learn as much as you can, okay guys? This is very important for me, okay? So once again, we have the lagging indicator, so just work with me. So this is called the lagging indicator, okay guys? The lagging indicator is going to be past the move, so it's in the past tense. It's not in the front, okay guys? This is the future moves right here, okay? The cloud is going to indicate where it's a buy or sell, or the thicker the cloud, guys, the huge support. So this cloud right here is trying to tell me there's a huge support and resistance zone. So bigger the cloud, it's just showing us that there's massive volumes of support and resistance. So remember, if it's a big cloud in front of us, guys, it's going to be a hard move to break it, or maybe find a retest and continue it to the downside or buy. All right, this lagging indicator is just behind us to show us where price has been and where it's trying to go. The two lines right here, it's like an EMA. It's basically like you're putting two moving averages and waiting for a cross and dictating where to go. So of course we had a cross over here at 0.0020, bullish potential move to the upside. A lot of people are saying, why, John? Why do you not buy yet? Why did you not sell? Yes, I've sold and bought little amounts. Reasons why I'm still looking at the bigger picture. We have a divergence, guys. All right, we have this cloud. Okay, this cloud is giving us an information that this zone, this whole red zone, guys, it is a support and resistance zone, and we could clearly see at this very moment the move of the candlesticks are inside, showing us that there is so much resistance and support that we need to see if it can actually break out of it. If I see this move, guys, watch this very carefully, okay? Hopefully you guys are taking notes. So if I see this move right here, break to the upside, all right, guys? If I see a candlestick break to the upside out of this cloud formation and close on the top, that is giving me a bullish scenario. We did not see that yet. We are seeing rejection. At any moment, guys, this could be such a rejection zone that the market can continuate down, okay, guys? We did have a cross. That's good for us to see that is finding potential to the upside. Also, guys, this cloud is also giving us information on what is going to happen. So the average is calculated and is giving us a move before time has even started. So we can clearly see right now it is green. So that is trying to tell us that there is a possibility that the move can be to the upside. As long as this cloud gets bigger and stuff like that, guys, we could see a potential move to upside. So my criteria are very simple. I want to see a break of this Ecomi cloud, the red cloud. It's finally giving us a bullish green signal, dictating to us, you know what, if it closes above, we could look for a long, we could look for a buy. Also, I do want to see the lagging indicator actually break out of this zone as well. So this is my criteria. I want to see a close of a huge candle of any sort outside of this Ecomi cloud. Also, I want to make sure this indicate is still green, showing me a bullish move. Also, the lagging indicator must follow the trend to show me it's a continuation to the upside. Right now, we do not have that. We do not have a bullish candle to the upside. Yes, we do have a green move right here, but this is just starting off, guys. Also, the cloud here it's very small, so it's showing a small support and resistance zones, while the huge move itself right here, it's a bearish cloud, guys, and it's red, so it's showing us conviction that, you know what, this can always top off right now and continue to downside. Remember, guys, this is an effect as well. I do look at this just to give me good price actions. Remember, guys, this is very effective to use if you do know what you're looking for. Right here, guys, we do have a cross of those lines, and if you guys were really smart and understand where the markets were going to go and we were underneath the red cloud, guys, we have many trades that you guys could have taken. So there was many trades like that you guys could have taken right here. All right, and these trades are very easy to understand, especially when you understand where the markets are going. So that's one right there, guys. We have another touch right there, guys. If you guys look carefully, even right here, we got another trade right there, guys. So all of this is leading us to a place where it just makes sense, guys. Look, I'm showing you guys more than 5 trades that you could have took with the trend to continue it to the downside. Right now, guys, we're in the cloud. In the cloud means unsure. Don't take any positions because it's not strong enough to tell us where it's going. Remember, this is still showing us more bearish than bullish. Reasons why: it's in the cloud, that's a support and resistance zone, and the price can push down. Look at the candle wicks, how it's rejecting off the cloud. It did not close above it. The lagging indicator did not close above it. Yes, the only one thing we have that does not matter, we need a bullish candle or any candle of any sort close to the outside, guys, and make sure it closes there for us to continue it to the upside. If this candle does close on the outside of this Ecomi cloud, guys, I could truly see my prediction of 0.02 cents, guys, 2 cents actually coming closer than you think, guys. So if you do like this video and you do have a lot of Ecomi tokens, and guess what, you did not believe 2 cents is possible, absolutely 2 cents is possible. I just give you great information of a retracement and real fundamental answers on why it's possible, other than hype or anything like that, guys. Remember, guys, we have a good retracement of 88%, and we're looking for take profit exactly at 1.618% of extensions. Okay, guys, so that is exactly 2 cents. Remember, guys, we're still waiting for a bullish scenario. We want to see a bullish close on the outside. Then I can see a continuation of a trend if you are looking at the Ecomoku or Ichimoku cloud. So that's very important. Other than that, guys, hopefully you guys learn all of this too. Hopefully you guys learn this as well, the black 3 crows and also the 3 method. Okay, guys, remember the 3 method is still in play. We can see a bullish candle close to the top side. Remember, guys, this is all going to make sense if we do have that bullish candle close to the outside. All right, guys, and this was a 3 method move and a bullish candle closes to the outside, guys. Guess what? That could be that candle that closes out here. If that is so, guys, remember 2 cents is absolutely possible. Remember that. Other than that, I do appreciate every one of you guys. If you guys have been watching this far, please pat yourself on the back. Hopefully you guys learn as much as you guys can. I want to see you guys do the best you can. And remember, I'm here to help you guys be better at whatever you want to be, especially when you're trading. Other than that, thank you guys so much for being here. Take it easy. John out. Peace.